Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to create a block. So as example you can draw objects, okay, you can draw rectangle, and the second I will create the circle object. Now if you want to create blocks only on this drawing file, you can type block, press enter, and set the names of block. We'll set into rectangle. Pick points, click at this point, and then for the object, you can select the rectangle object. Don't forget to check in the convert to block and click OK to create the block. So if you type insert, press enter, and will be show in the recent block here. You can click and then apply into the drawing. Another option, if you want to use the block objects to another file, you can type w block command, press enter. Okay, you can pick points, select the center points of the circle, and for the objects, select the objects. Don't forget to check convert to block. After it, you can save these block objects into your folder here. As default will be set to the document folder, and then click OK to create the block. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to create a block.